What is going on, my YouTube family? Happy Thanksgiving, y'all. Hope y'all having another good day. We back at it though. So what am I doing today? Today really is just a random video. I just felt like making a video to get on board, man, and talk to y'all, let y'all know how everything's going. We're actually just leaving Walmart. Walmart came through clutch because we got a propane tank in the back there. And I wasn't able, I completely forgot to buy a propane tank because I had one when I was in North Carolina, but I couldn't bring it out here with me. So I ended up leaving it behind. But I forgot to get a propane tank, and today is Thanksgiving. So luckily Walmart, they got the automated propane tanks out front where you don't have to have a person come out with the key and swap them for you or open the cage up. So I went there, put my card in and all that good stuff, man. I'll tell you what, I'm dodged a bullet there because well, if you know, you don't know, but I'm gonna be deep frying the turkey. So obviously you need propane for that. I got everything else though, just didn't have propane. So we got propane now. But I guess I can also say the point of this video too is that we're going to be a couple unboxings I'm gonna show y'all. We should have a new video out tomorrow. Installing some Isspro gauges on the dually, you know what I'm saying? So it should be a good time, y'all. Definitely should be a good time. Where was I? Something else. Yeah, we got some goodies. We got some goodies from Banks, and then we got some goodies from Isspro. The gauges, y'all. They make them to order, and they are beautiful. We also just got an email from yesterday. Aaron over at Boost Auto Sales or Boost Auto Parts. We got stuff coming in from them, y'all. We got some cool stuff coming up, y'all, next week and going into December. December is going to be an exciting month, man, for the truck. So definitely looking forward to it. Beat these guys out real quick. But yeah, so that's where we at though. Some other news for the channel for y'all. If you didn't watch the last video, we got rid of the mouse epidemic in the truck. So as of right now, I'm hoping and I'm thinking that was the only one. I've been steadily checking under the hood and haven't seen anything new or unusual, so I'm thinking that was the only one. But we got him. So if you didn't see last video, check out last video. It's in the beginning of the video, so you don't have to watch the whole video to see it, but we did catch the mouse on the trap. Dropped that sticky pad down, and it definitely did some work and caught him, so got rid of that. What else? Oh man, there's so much going on right now. But yeah, I'm actually trying to make a U-turn. But obviously in a truck like this, it's not the easiest thing. So we just gonna cheat a little bit. But yeah. Hopefully you guys are doing good, man. I hope you guys are. Everything's been good. I really appreciate all the comments and the likes on the last two videos since I've been back. You guys are awesome. I really appreciate it. I just want to keep that vibe going, man, because it helps out the channel so much and it helps the videos out, especially me being gone for so long, man. I've dropped down on the totem pole or the algorithm and whatnot. So it definitely helps, man, when y'all smash the thumbs up buttons. But the fortune has been good, man. I just honestly been driving it the last week and a half-ish. I've been back now. I've been driving, just chilling, man. Like nothing crazy, nothing abnormal, you know. Yeah, seriously. It's been running really good. We will next year, beginning next year, we're looking at doing a build on the transmission, obviously through RevMax, but I'm gonna be having the transmission built by Tier 1 transmissions or Tier 1 performance based out of I think they're based out of Phoenix, Arizona. So I'll be driving out there next year and filming that stuff. That's gonna be cool. It's gonna be about a 750, 800 rated 68 RFE with all the stuff. RevMax, Tom at RevMax came through clutch. So it's gonna be an awesome build for that. And then turbo stuff, sent off the actuator. Turbo actuator got sent off to Ryan's Diesel Service. They should get it tomorrow, Friday, depending on when y'all watch this. They should get it tomorrow. And then I'm looking at about a week and a half, a week to 2 week turnaround in terms of getting the turbo back. So we should be good from there. Getting that 64, 67 millimeter Ryan's diesel turbo. Got the 10 blade turbine on the rear. I don't know what's on the front, 6 or so, I don't know. But yeah, so what we're gonna do is when I get back to the crib, I'm gonna show y'all some parts we got going on, unboxing, let y'all see what we got coming up in the near future. And it's gonna be exciting, man. So I'm gonna get with y'all when we get back to the house. All right, y'all, so we back at the house now. So the first thing I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all is gonna be these Isspro gauges, man. They look A1, super clean, super fresh. Check this out. All right, so Isspro went ahead and hooked it up. So we have the matching, these are gonna be matching Laramie Longhorn gauges. These specifically are gonna be for the 2013 to 18 Ram Longhorns, all right? So this right here, we got the fuel pressure gauge, 0 to 30. This one here, we got turbo boost, 0 to 100. You're probably wondering why do I have a gauge all the way up to 100? That might be self-explanatory. And then the last one we got is going to be the Pyro one, or EGT exhaust temp gauge, going up to 1600. They had a 2001, I think, or a 2200 one, but I mean, if you have to watch your EGTs that high, something's going on, a little different. But yeah, Isspro, man, super clean. The wiring, I'm not looking forward to it, but it's gonna pay off at the end once the gauges are installed. Tomorrow I'm gonna pick up some wire loom from Harbor Freight, just so that's clean. And yeah, we're gonna kick off tomorrow with this install. And I will be taking out the Banks iData gauges. They will be for sale. If you're interested in them, email me at everythingdiesel@gmail.com or message me on Instagram at everything_diesel. If you're interested, I'll ship them out to you. They will be for sale though. In terms of why I'm taking them off, honestly, they just hurt my eyes are sensitive to an extent, so it just messes with my eyes essentially. It's a lot easier for me to read these gauges, and if you guys, my old followers, remember, these are the exact 3 parameters that I was monitoring on my glow shift gauges on my 3rd gen. I had the glow shift gauges on there, and I had the exact same style setup, and it was very effective for me. And then I ran the Edge CTS3, which I also still have, which is going to be going back in. So we're going to be bringing that setup back. I guess I got used to it from all the years of having the 3rd gen. It worked for me, no issues. So we're going that way with it. You might be asking, well, if you're going to run the CTS3, you can set these up on there. You can, but I like gauges. It looks clean. I mean, look at this, man. Check that out. You know what I'm saying? Super fresh. It like legitimately goes with the instrument cluster on the inside of the truck. You know what I'm saying? So that's where we at right there for the first unboxing. I'm gonna show y'all what we got next. Next thing we got here, once again, some Banks products, and we went ahead and we have the hot cold side boost pipe kit from Banks. Gonna be installing this hopefully next week, but I am excited to put these on, but I'm not looking forward to the install, because if anybody did the 3-inch or the upgrade boost tubes, hot and cold pipes, the hot pipe is it's a project on 4th gen. So, but regardless of that, it's gonna be an awesome install. It's gonna look good. I didn't know they were gonna come powder coated red from Banks. I thought they were gonna come stained or raw, because I wanted to powder coat them Illusion Cherry. I'm thinking about just slapping them in red, because they're gonna be so low down in the engine, you really won't see it. So you guys let me know, should I powder coat these Illusion Cherry so it can match everything else, or should I just leave them the Banks red and just slap them in? I'll let you guys be the game changer or the decision maker on this one, okay? These things are clean, man. And obviously we know about the 4th gens having the infamous dent in it. You know what I'm saying? They got the dent on it so that it inhibits airflow. Plus you're going from a 2 3/4 piping to I think these are 3 1/4 or 3-inch. I'd have to get a measuring tape and measure it, but you guys get what I'm saying. Comes with the clamp, all clamps needed, and the New boost elbows, super thick. You know what I'm saying? Nothing cheap here. Banks doesn't cut corners on. Pretty much, actually nothing really. So, yeah. All right, guys. So that's gonna do it for the video. Just a quick Happy Thanksgiving / parts unboxing video to get you guys some content out there. Let you guys know what we got going on. Super appreciative of you guys. I'm thankful for all you guys. I'm thankful for everybody that watches my videos, that comments, that messages me on Instagram, that shouts out, or whatever it is. I'm thankful for it and I'm grateful for it. You guys are awesome. You guys are rock stars. Also, make sure you like the video, like always, and all that good stuff. And until tomorrow, I'll see you guys later. Be looking out for the Isspro install video either sometime either Friday evening or Saturday morning. So you can look for the video around that time, okay? So until then, you guys take care, be safe, peace out, God bless, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys later.